Today I'm making banana chocolate chip cookies. I'm starting with 1 1/4 cups of almond flour. Adding to that 1/4 of a teaspoon baking soda. Add to that a couple of grinds of Himalaya salt. Stir those dry ingredients all together. Mash up a banana in a separate bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add 1 tablespoon of water and stir the wet ingredients all together. Combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Now we have our cookie batter and we can spoon it onto a cookie sheet. I made a very rich carob chip mix. It's frozen. I'm going to shave it and put it on top of the cookies. You could use chips if you want. This is what they look like just before I put them in the oven. I'm going to put them in at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Take them out of the oven, let them cool, maybe even freeze them. And they're super yummy. Bon appetit!